first what I'm going to do is take this off so I can have more space. The wheel well. Some 13mm bolts. Take this off with it as well. Yeah. But it comes off from right here. Yeah, I'm going to just take this part off though. So this is the type of space you have with that wheel well on. 13mm bolts. Be careful because it's kind of snapped a little bit. What I'm going to do is just take that nut off there, and then I'm just going to do it right here with the same tension pad. But other than that, I've already started taking this off. 14mm. That's twisting along with it. And I'm going to go ahead and start taking everything off. This is the airline. Yep, that goes to the governor up there. They said they got a new governor. Had another mechanic come out here and replace that, but this usually isn't that bad to replace. So there we go. This came out. Everything on here seems to be like rusty. Look at that, they didn't break. So we good. But other than that, that's that, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything off. Alright, here's the air compressor. I got it out. Pretty heavy. Really heavy. This is the new one. Right here. So, come out here in that spot. Always check my teeth. Make sure it's all good. Ears. That's where I'm sitting. So what I'm going to do is clean it off. And then, start changing the fittings over. Let me show you the line that broke. Over here, it was so rusted. It's made it to there. So that's going to get a new line. plastic lining that was stuck inside that old fitting, but I got a new one in the morning, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Audio Jungle.